Welcome to Guru Trader video for Friday, March 19th, 2010. Here's the market movers that we're looking at today. On the Canadian exchange, symbol NOT, Noront Resources, $1.55. Symbol GWG, Great Western Minerals Group, 20 cents. Symbol GBB, Gold Bullion Development Corp again, 27 cents. Symbol CTEL, City Telecom, 14.39. That one's on the NASDAQ. Also looking at CNAM, China Armco Metals again, 8.14 on the AMEX. And new one, symbol QWest Communications International, 5.05 on the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a closer look at these stocks. Before I get into these stocks, I should mention that yesterday I didn't do a video. We did our usual tweet, which you can get at twitter.com/investorsguru. We also posted on our blog, which you can see here at blog.investorsguru.com. And the stocks that we tweeted yesterday, I'll just mention them quickly. Symbol RSG, Search Gold Resources, 7.5 up 3.5 on 12 million. We mentioned ROI, 9.5 up 2 on 7 million. Route 1 Inc. Gold Bullion Development, GBB, 27 up 4 on 4 million. That was a year. These are all year highs. Eli Gold and Minerals, ELY, 57 up 1, 2 million. That was a year high. I had mentioned Gold Bullion before, but those other three were new stocks. Paramex Resources, PXM, 21.5 up 2.5, 1 million. I think that one we mentioned before. And as did we, PMI Gold Corporation, PMV, 22 cents up a nickel on a little over 500,000 shares trading. That was a year high. And we mentioned Kodiak Oil and Gas again, symbol KOG on the AMEX, 317 up 13 cents, 3 million, another year high. And yesterday we put out a profile on one of our featured stocks, Quote Media. They're also our data provider, and we're following that stock closely on our top 30 stock watch list. So check out our blog sometime. Anyway, those 6 stocks. The first one, NOT, Noront Resources, $1.55 up 13, 169 million shares outstanding, 263 million market cap. I think it's time to put Noront back on our radar. We actually had Noront on our top 30 stocks list last year. If you go to our website, right under here, you can find all the stocks we had on there. We put it on June 16th, 09 at 60 cents. We took it off on August the 4th at 2.95, and this is the news we've been waiting for a while. There's the 1-year chart. So there's where we got on this time last year, or in June. We got off sometime in August and let it slide back, and here's the news we've been waiting for. March 19th, Noront resumes exploration at McFalls Lake, James Bay lowlands. Lots of great results coming out of that area, the Ring of Fire, more financings. So that's one to look into. Definitely put it on your radar and see if that one's going to play up again this year. Next, should mention, this is a new one, GWG, Great Western Minerals. I remember that from years back. Haven't followed it in a long time. Just popped up today on the volume actives. Look, over 15 million shares have traded. Now, mind you, there's 242 million shares out in this company. Market cap's 49 million. Also trades on the Canadian exchange. 52-week high is 46 cents, which it did September 29th of last year. The low is 6 cents, which it made on April the 14th of last year. It's now 20 cents. There's the 1-year chart on it. Looks like it's getting started again. True North Gems Options Yukon Rare Earth Discovery to Great Western Minerals. So there was another play rolled in. I think they got 65% of the play for bringing them through to feasibility or pre-feasibility. Should look into those news releases. Great Western Minerals Group signs exclusivity agreement with Rare Earth Extraction Company Limited. So it looks like this one's heating up again. At least we'll start putting it on our radar. Next stock, GBB, Gold Bullion Development. Tweeted that one yesterday. 27 cents. Pretty well flat on the day, down half a cent. Good volume, 4.7 million shares traded. 81 million outstanding. It shows $22 million market cap. Trades on the Canadian exchange. Its 52-week high was actually yesterday, hit 27.5 cents, touched a high of 29.5 cents today. So this one spiked. We put it on there a while back. I forget the level that we put it on at, but anyway, it spiked. We wanted it to pull back. It did pull back, and looks like it's bumping up again. Anyway, as long as that volume's good, stock looks okay. But Anyway, March 11th, gold bullion more than doubles land position at Grenada, prepares for major new drill program. Look into these results here. Gold bullion drills best ever results at Grenada. So there's a new one we're following up on. This is a brand new one. CTEL, City Telecom, 1439, up $1.99, 2.1 million shares. I believe that's a new high. I don't think it's ever been that high. There's the 1-year chart. Stock was under $1 a year ago. Traded as high as 15.28 today. 52-week high is showing March the 8th. So it ran up, pulled back. Looks like it's bumping up that again. Over 15 today. Very nice curve. Anyway, there's the 3-month chart on it. Kind of sketchy. There's the 1-month chart. The 1-year chart. Okay, so they're a telecom, I think the second largest telecom company in Hong Kong. They rang the bell on the NASDAQ yesterday, or on the New York Stock Exchange. Celebrates 10 years on the NASDAQ with opening bell in New York City. Read some of their releases. It's an interesting play in Hong Kong. Started in 1992. I think the company started with $100,000, and now they've got, I don't know, over 1 million subscribers. So interesting play. I might do some homework. Only 33 million shares outstanding, so that's why I can have those powerful moves on only 2 million shares in volume. $478 million company. So we'll just throw that one out there to do some homework on. CNAM, China Armco Metals, 814, up $1.03. Little under 2 million shares. Only 10 million shares out in this company. Looks like it's only been around since, I don't know, May of last year, according to this chart. We first mentioned that one a while back. It's ran up from 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's, look at this spike. We wanted it to pull back. It has pulled back. Looks like it's popping again. I don't know very much about this company. Has earnings, has a PE ratio of 33. They do metal recycling in China, I believe. They got a contract worth up to $100 million. So I'm probably not going to look into this one, but throw it out there because it does pop up from time to time on the volume actives and on the percentage gainers. So if you're looking for, active stocks, that's one to do your homework on. This one we do like. Quest Communications, solid company, 505, up 8 cents, 28 million shares traded. 1.7 billion shares outstanding, almost a $9 billion company. You probably know Quest as well as good as I do. 52-week low was 330, which it made on September the 8th of last year, and the 52-week high 508 made on a couple of days ago, March 17th. I like Quest enough that we may add this one to our top 30 stock watch list. It's low enough. It's not really a small cap, but we like what they're doing. They're tops in the internet technology with their fiber. Regularly put out news. Most Fortune 500 companies use their services. Well-known company and trending. Okay, so that's about it for today. Trade safely, do your homework, check out our blog, sign up to our tweet, check our Facebook page out or our mobile site, and we'll talk with you on Monday. Guru Trader videos and tweets are daily snapshots of 5 to 7 very active small and microcap stocks from all North American stock exchanges. We simply track stocks that are trading up significantly on news or making new highs on very high volume without any further consideration of company fundamentals. The point is to save time by focusing on only those stocks that are moving right now. Guru Trader symbols come from filtering market movers and from subjective observations. Our software cross-references today's volume actives, percent gainers, and dollar gainers, which are filtered down to just lower-priced stocks. We then look at each stock's charts for apparent uptrends and news headlines for obvious one-day-only events to exclude, like a buyout, or for longer-term growth-related news like financials, drill results, patent approvals, etc. to include. This is similar to how many traders look for new stocks as a starting point for further research with their financial and investment advisors. This is not an advisory service, and conflicts may exist as we sometimes take positions, or featured stocks may have bought online advertising or IR support services. Any content published by Investors Guru Small Cap Stock Observer is subject to the terms of our privacy policy and disclaimer at investorsguru.com. For our other small cap stock channels, follow Twitter's Guru Trader tweet in real time on your PC or mobile device at twitter.com/investorsguru. Subscribe to watch YouTube's Investors Guru video channel at youtube.com/investorsguru. Search Investors Guru at facebook.com and add us as a friend to see our videos, tweets, etc. that are all synced to post on our wall. It's free to sign up at investorsguru.com stock community for comprehensive quotes, newsletters, profiles, forums, etc., or to update your portfolio, watch list, alerts, and news by email preferences. Thanks for watching.